Hello friends, I am Kushi and welcome with me. Today I want to talk to you that how I improve my English. I was really very bad speaker. Now also I'm not much good, but I want to share my some of videos in YouTube and want to see that how much improvement I do to myself. I remember that in the starting I was really very bad speaker and it was really bad, very bad day when first time my teacher said to me in the whole class that stand in front of the all student and talk about yourself. I even don't know how to speak more than two lines about ourselves. I just speak, my name is Kushi and I live from my village and just sit. I just sit at the corner of the class and I was really very feeling shame and every student was seeing me like how is she girl? Means she don't know about her introduction? It is so simple. I start English speaking and joined the small institute where I start. So it was really my starting was very hard because I never understand the bit how to connect the lines and how organize thoughts in the mind. Then my teacher, one of the my ma'am, her name was I forget. She told me that Khushi, you can be a good speaker. I saw a one thing in you that you can really improve. And she give me one trick. Like every time when you do any kind of work and go anywhere, just you have to do one thing. Is that translate everything in English. And I just do same whenever I go. I was going to auto, so on sitting there I just speak in English like this is the auto, it is running outside, there are trees, this is that, and means I just connect the all things and I start to speak about my ambience where I was sitting. And slowly and steadily I started to speak to myself alone. I started to speak in front of mirror, and more importantly that I never fear to debate with everybody. I can easily debate because I have that abundance of thoughts, but the biggest thing is that I can't convey them in a beautiful way as my teachers used to say. And I really become very inspired to them, like one day I'll become the person who can same will speak like them. And definitely this day come when I started to speak and everybody, and on the time when I give interview in the class about myself, everybody was looking at me like you English the global language, because everybody can learn English in a very simple way. It's not much hard language, it is really very simple. As now I am speaking, I'm really speaking very simple words, and now also I'm not much improved, but yes, definitely I'm seeing improvement in myself. So that's why I'm just making this video, not um after that I gave the IELTS exam. I didn't know about IELTS. Yes, I never get a good band score, but I did a very hard work, really very hard work on IELTS. I used to study at nights, wake up early, in the class I was asleep, and it was really very bad way to study. It was really hard work, not smart work. And when I start smart work, it was really very enjoyable. I started to find enjoy in everything, like make a different face and sit and just learn those things in which you will improve definitely. But in the starting I used to study all. I gave pressure to myself, like if I am reading newspaper I have to read this newspaper completely. Oh, how bad I was in that time. And slowly and steadily when I read all newspaper I feel very tired and I can't do any other work. Seriously, that kind of headache starting to come in my mind. But then I start to think like I come to know like I should only read that kind of thing in which I interest. So I just read the mid page in the newspaper. There is some articles and some other thought people used to write on that corner of the page. So I just read this and Every day I read this, I never feel tired. I really feel very confident because I understand this all every day. Sometimes when I find any good verse, so I read in my notebook and then write the means meaning of that after searching. And I found that it is very good way because I have the dictionary. They have so many words meaning, and in the starting I used to what I used to do actually, every word I read and their meaning, I used to cram the old words. I found that if I know about whole means how much vocabulary I will have, how much good speaker I will become. So I just crammed the whole thing. But I never remember one. No. It was so much hard thing which I was doing. And then I just throw all them and I start learning in a good way. I circle the words and then write them on my notebook, and then after one day when I write new word, firstly I revise my old one and then I go forward, and it is the best technique which I followed. One thing also coming in my mind that yeah, what? Oh, it has gone. This also happens so many times with me. A thing come in my mind and then it goes. But what was coming? Oh, I just forgot. About mistake, it was the thing. But it was. I just forget. Just go. So this is all from my side today. Bye bye.